Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion360 Tips. In this video we're going to go over 3D mirrors. Now 3D mirrors, much like 2D mirrors, works the same way except you're mirroring solid bodies in comparison to sketched lines. So basically what we'll do, we'll go to our Create drop-down, go to our mirror. Now, how do you do a mirror once you have the mirror tool highlighted? First, you would go to your dialog box. We're going to go to bodies because that is what we want to mirror, is the whole body. So we'll go ahead and click and drag. We'll highlight, make sure this whole thing is blue. Otherwise, if it is a face, you'll highlight it and only get portions of it. You want the whole body to be highlighted. So then you'll go to your mirror plane. You want to select. Now, there are different ways that you can mirror these things off of. If you go to a plane that you want to mirror off of, you can click and it will be back to back. In this case, if you were to mirror off of, let's say, this plane here, it's going to mirror it that way. You can either do a join where it's all one piece, or you can keep it separate individual bodies. If you want to make a mirror, you can go and highlight, and you want to select a mirror plane. If you want to offset something and you have it away from your origin or anything of the like, you can go ahead and mirror it off of this, or you can make a custom offset plane that you can kind of customize. So you go over your construct tab, go to your offset plane, go ahead and highlight it, and you will go ahead and pick whatever side you want to mirror it off of. So in this case, we'll click on this one. We will move our plane that we wish to mirror this off of, and hit OK. What we're going to do now is mirror this object. Make sure it's bodies. It keeps going to features, bodies. Go to mirror plane, and we're going to select this mirror plane. And as you can see, it has kind of split the difference. So this plane will be in the middle of wherever you want this to be copied over to. And that's how you basically perform a mirror. Now, what's interesting is you can basically mirror a part over that has a bunch of features already in it. So if you want to mirror this whole piece over to here with the holes in it, you can also do that. That works the same way. You highlight the body, go to objects, mirror plane. Let's say we want to mirror it off of here, and boom, you have made an exact copy of this one, and you specify how far apart it is by whatever face or plane you decide to mirror it off of. So you could either do this plane, or you could use your origin. You could do it like this and it would mirror it upside down. And if you wanted to do so if you wanted this to be 10 millimeters away from this one, you would obviously place your offset plane 5 millimeters, because it would go 5 and then 10. So a bunch of different ways that you can go about it. I believe there have been times I haven't been able to figure it out before I made this video, how to mirror features such as holes. I believe I have done it in the past, but I couldn't figure out how to do it again. So I believe you can indeed mirror a feature such as holes over. I believe that's all we have as far as mirrors go for the 3D workspace. Hopefully this video was helpful. As always, if these videos are helpful, I would encourage you to like, share, comment, subscribe, and look forward to seeing you in the next video, and hope to see you there. Until then, see you later.